Up Close and Personal mein today we have these amazing two individuals who are actually a power couple. One of them is Zufishan Hassan. I'm going to call her Zufi, okay? Power couple, motivational speaker and managing partner of Intech Solutions. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And then we have Haseeb T. Hassan, who is also part of the power couple, motivational speaker and CEO of Intech Solution. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. I work for her.
Oh, you work for her. Good. I like it. You know, you've set the power right. So, you know, it's an absolute pleasure to have both of you on the show. And I've been, you know, guys, I've been hearing about them for such a long time. My producer and I have been having long talks about what an amazing segment it will be. और हम लोग इनसे क्या insights सीख सकते हैं. आज वो हमें बताएंगे wellness retreats के बारे में. Wellness retreats क्या होती हैं? Corporate retreats किस तरह differ करती हैं? I've myself been to many personal retreats. They themselves have a very interesting life. They too have moved from a very cosmopolitan city now to the mountains. और अब वो किस तरीके से conduct करते हैं? It's a fascinating story. Let's hear it from them. Right. So any of you can go first. Let's start with you since she's your boss. Let's begin. Tell us a little about your wellness retreats. क्या होती हैं? How did you get into it?
Because we live in the mountains.
Yes.
And we thought that let's bring everybody there because there is such a serenity there. आप imagine नहीं कर सकते कि शहरों से बाहर कोई जाता है तो एकदम से mind कितना open हो जाता है.
Agreed.
So retreats are of different kinds, but हमारी leadership wellness retreat है. There is a bit of leadership in there because corporates come to us.
अच्छा.
There are two kinds of retreats. एक public retreat होती है तो all executives from different companies come to us. और एक retreat होती है कि you know customized. एक company कहती है please we want to bring like X number of people here. Can you please supervise us into creating that
experience for them.
Yes,
how lovely.
Absolutely.
And you know, Haseeb, you were telling me also about this AI bot that you have, and it's a very high-tech sort of a retreat, it seems. यहाँ पे तो I don't think कोई भी इस तरह कर रहा है. How does that work?
Well, okay. So the retreats are based on, they're actually called Grow.
Acha. Grow Thyself, you would tell.
The name of the book is Grow Thyself, which is going to be, it's actually in print right now. So that's the reason why we came to Karachi.
Zabardast.
And then, so one of the reasons why we moved back from Dubai after being there 18 years, and we've been in corporate training programs. So we moved back, so we thought, yaar, ke rather than going to the cities and make money, why don't we bring the people to the mountains?
Lovely.
So that's how it started as an idea. And then we're like, you know, so we had our own like, you know, design and we sort of like tailor-made the retreats according to the senior management level to give them a break. The word retreat means to pull back.
Pull back, to relax.
So to pull back from your life and then come back and sort of like start paying more attention to some of the things which we have neglected in the past. Well, maybe in pursuit of some other goals which we achieved, but then again, health, relationships, so all these things.
You know what I find really fascinating, and this may be off topic as well, since both of you are doing this for a long time together, isn't it amazing to have a partner जो कि आपसे spiritually भी aligned है? How do you guys, you know, I'm sure differences होते होंगे, but how do you make it work, still making it such a big success? I hear you guys have done international ones as well.
Yeah, we do international also,
Yeah, so how is it that you guys work together? How does it work together? Do you have a good team?
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I think that we've been married for 37 years.
Yes.
And working together for 27 years.
Wow.
So
28 years, 2 months and 5 days.
Wow, आपको minutes और seconds भी याद है. इतनी tough है आपकी boss आप पे.
यही बात है. So I think हमारी personal और professional life इतनी enmeshed हो गई कि उसकी वजह से both of those relationships had a great impact.
How lovely.
और we complement each other and people like it. और वो समझते हैं कि आप कैसे ये कर लेते हैं, आप घर जाके क्या करते हैं.
Yes, that's what I was wondering.
But alhamdulillah, as we are, you see what you get, you know.
How lovely.
So that's
and I can feel that vibe as well.
But you were saying about the AI bot. I interrupted.
So the AI bot is a very integral part about our retreats. So, I mean, the book is there, which is a self-help book called Grow Thyself, and sort of like it's got a wide variety of topics under one umbrella, under one roof. But the AI bot is a customized solution for each individual. So people who attend our retreats also get an AI coach after they leave the retreat as a follow-up kind of a thing.
How lovely कि ताकि ये आपका लाइफस्टाइल का हिस्सा बन जाए.
Yeah.
ये retreat जो है वो सिर्फ एक one-stop solution नहीं, it's something that carries on with you forever.
Yeah.
How lovely is that? And I think very few people have actually probably thought about it or using AI to that. अच्छा, आप लोगों को लगता है कि wellness retreats लोगों को क्यों करनी चाहिए versus a vacation? Like why would I not go to Disneyland? Why should I go to retreat? क्योंकि हम लोग आजकल इस शो में और इस last 10 days में 2024 के we'll be focusing on holistic healing.
Nice.
Physical well-being and mental well-being.
Nice.
So tell me from your perspective कि आपको क्या लगता है vacation से बेहतर retreat क्यों है?
इस वजह से कि वेकेशन में आप उन्हीं लोगों के साथ हैं, आप दिन रात
God, yes.
retreat का मतलब है
Good job, yes.
अपने हस्बैंड, अपने बच्चे, अपनी सुबह की चाय की ट्रेज रखना, उससे निकल जाएं जो रूटीन है. एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कॉर्पोरेट, द 9 to 5. पीपल डू नॉट गेट टाइम कि वो अपने पे फोकस कर सकें. तो रिट्रीट का मकसद ही है. हॉलिडे में ऐसे नहीं होता, कोई बच्चा नहीं उठ रहा है, कोई फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी अगर आप हॉलिडे पे जाएं तो उनके स्केड्यूल्स मीट नहीं होते हैं. यहाँ आपको 2 लाइफ कोचेस मिलते हैं जो आपको वेरी नाइस सटल तरीके से सुपरवाइज करते हुए सारा एक एजेंडा बनाते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. वेकेशन, सॉरी बेब, वेकेशन के बाद एक और वेकेशन चाहिए होती है क्योंकि इंसान
Just to recover from that.
Yes.
So well said.
मैं यही कहना चाह रहा था कि मैंने तो जिंदगी में जब भी फैमिली वेकेशन ली है उसके बाद मुझे एक और वेकेशन
Vacation की जरूरत होती है. I 100%
बेबी
agree.
सिटिंग मोड खत्म ही नहीं होता.
Okay, so you know the reasons. Tell me one of your most famous retreats you've recently had, which people liked a lot. Any location you want to tell about the experience? What is it like? It's like I wake up in the morning. What is my day looking like? Just tell us the experience so we can, I guess, virtually heal.
So we do it in exotic places like the mountains. We prefer, although we've done it in Ormara Beach and Kund Malir also, and so on, so forth, and Hawke's Bay Beach and French Beach. But then again, we actually prefer the mountains. Why? Because the hikes in the mountains, greenery, and
So
the whole
healing.
chidiyon ki awaazein.
So important.
Especially helps when you're doing yoga sessions there, and then sort of like, yeah. So Hunza was a good location that we did last year. And then so that was quite successful. Although the people who initially came to the retreat
from Karachi,
उनके जहाज कैंसिल हो गया.
Oh, ये तो होता है.
हाँ.
आपको limitations feel होती होंगी challenges पाकिस्तान में?
नहीं, मगर फिर उन्हें by road travel करना पड़ा. 16 hours
That's actually
drive.
a lot of fun too.
So they stayed overnight.
It was not fun for them initially. Because when they came to reached us and they was like, why did you choose Hunza over here and everything? They were, all came very negative and everything. But after the 4 days when they were leaving, कहते हैं this was a life-changing experience.
अच्छा, so what is the experience like? हमारा दिन कैसा लगता है? हम सुबह उठ के क्या करते हैं? Do we do meditations? Do we focus on the present moment by listening to the birds? Do we have days of silence?
अच्छे से नाश्ते के बाद फिर पहले करते हैं हम थोड़ी देर बाद walk hike ताकि जरा settle हो जाए, हल्की फुल्की hike.
Yeah.
And then yoga session which goes for about 2 hours.
Specific form of yoga?
Yoga is customized according to the people also.
Yeah, their level as well. But we start from the basics so that आदत नहीं होती है ना लोगों को stretch ही नहीं किया कभी कुछ तो.
So that's something that I've introduced in our training programs in the last 10 years. Since I started doing yoga, then I joined competitions in Dubai and I won some competitions in my age bracket.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're young, bhai.
And then,
You're so sweet.
well, young at heart, but 66 biologically.
Yeah,
so like.
mashallah, but you know, you guys are such an amazing, energied couple.
She's much younger than me, sorry.
Yeah, of course.
आपको ऐसी बात
There's no comparison. Achha, so this you guys have been doing this for 10 years? More than 10 years?
Well, the retreats, yes. But then again, we've been in training business for 28 years.
20.
So we've recreated ourselves, evolved also over a period of time.
So what I find really fascinating is corporate training कराते आप लोगों को इतने अच्छे तरीके से लोगों के insights मिलते हैं कि जब आप लोग healing करते हो या retreat पे लेके जाते हो, you know exactly what the pain points are. Let's hear those pain points. Stress है, जो भी.
We actually do our homework very well on each individual because this is really high end.
Of course.
So it's a very customized. So some things we address in public, which is common to other people, but many things are one-on-one.
One-on-one.
So when we go on hikes and everything, I'll purposely walk with somebody alone by themselves and so on and so forth and give them a feedback and so on and so forth. A lot of people come to us. A lot of people, like, you know, the reason why Qasim chose the producer of this program this topic is because he knows a few people from State Bank and so on and so forth. Zila एक है हमारी बड़ी अच्छी फैन भी है हमारी like बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी बन गई तो she attended and उसने कहा कासिम को इनसे ये वाला टॉपिक पे बात करो so he is the one who selected this topic for us so we didn't come here to market our retreats.
Of course, no, he mentioned it to me as well, and I think it's great because बहुत retreats हो रही हैं.
ये retreats हमने शुरू की हैं, ये trend setters हैं हम लोग.
Of course, which is the reason why I've been asking कि 10 साल से हो रहा है. It's more than that. आपको लगता है लोग जब आते हैं तो वो बहुत stressed and anxious होते हैं, and by the time they leave, can you see visibly it's made a difference?
See, the thing is कि वो in pursuit of their professional careers or whatever, and the hustle, bustle and everything, we all get stressed out. अभी आप बात कर रही थी कि mental well-being and so on and so forth with the previous speaker, and then she was very competent also. So ये सारी ये चीजें आती हैं, hypertension, diabetes and blah blah blah. So the things that we neglect are basically our health in pursuit of those goals. So those things we address.
Amazing.
Yeah, it could be relationships, it could be their own physical self-love or self-care activities and so.
And self-love is something that really lacks. आपको क्या issue सबसे ज़्यादा face होता है? Because I think अगर हम इसको जाहिर करें तो जो audience में भी लोग देख रहे हैं, जो कि शायद retreats नहीं कुछ afford कर सकते, and fair enough, how is it कि वो आपसे कुछ tips इस तरह के भी सीख सकते हैं जिनसे उनको भी फायदा हो?
Breaks नहीं लेते लोग. They don't take a break. They don't focus on themselves. And being a woman, men तो फिर भी corporate की तरफ से कई दफ़ा retreats पे आ जाते हैं. Women don't take breaks at all. And that's most important for them to do that. So वो अगर आप छोटी-छोटी breaks लेके अपने पे थोड़ी देर focus करें, थोड़ी देर breathing पे focus कर लें, एक online meditation लगा के ही रोज़ कर लें, मतलब frequency उसकी बढ़ा दें. So these are the kind of things. And because of the routines and the frustrations,
and the expectations as well on women.
Relationships impact होने लग जाते हैं. तो इसलिए जो retreat पे आते हैं ना, हालांकि हम उसकी भी बात करते हैं relationship पे, corporate relationship at work, at home, at family, with children. लेकिन उसका impact families पे सबसे ज़्यादा होता है because they've had time to go introspective में वो चले जाते हैं.